Hey friends, if the Wi-Fi capability is turned off on your Windows 11 or your Windows 10 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first resolution is to run the network troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Now corresponding to network and internet, click on run to run the troubleshooter. It will give a suggestion here, like in my case, the suggestion is to restart the adapter. The next solution is to check the physical switch. Now I'll show you what the physical switch actually looks like. So if this is your keyword, if you press the function key which is in blue color or maybe some other color but a different color other than white, you'll find that there's another function key on the top among these F1, F2, F3 keys, which has that Wi-Fi like symbol. So you need to press the function key along with this function key here. Now it is F9 here, but it may be a different function key on your computer. So you need to turn on the Wi-Fi switch. Next one is to enable network from network connections. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Now, if your Wi-Fi is disabled, then you can right click on it and enable it. For example, if Ethernet is disabled, you can right click on it and enable it. The next solution is to install the latest Wi-Fi drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now scroll down for network adapters. Right click on the Wi-Fi and select Update Drivers. Select Search automatically for drivers. The next one is enable Wi-Fi adapter using command prompt. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, you need to copy paste this command. I'll share it in the description section of this video and hit enter. The last solution will be to perform a network reset. You need to reset the network. So right click on the start button and select settings on the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Select network reset. Click on reset now and then click on yes. I won't click on yes or else it will disconnect the video, but you need to click on yes. And obviously you can restart your computer after all of these solutions. Now if these solutions are helpful, then please subscribe to our channel because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.